Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Yoga Tab 3 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and find your Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me it is right over here. Once you see it, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you have very limited amount of options by the looks of it. So we have priority only allows, and we have things like reminders, events, messages, which allows you to select can message you, and automatic rules, which is basically a schedule. And once you set it up, for instance, set up your schedule. If you want to use a schedule, just make sure that is enabled in there. But for just like manual usage, all you need to do is tap on the toggle, and it gives you a couple options. So until you turn it off, or for a specific amount of hours, which you can increase. And you have also a couple options right here. So you have total silence, alarms only, or priority only. Priority only would be the things that we have in the settings. And from there, you can select done, and this will enable it for the specified amount of hours. Now, once you're done with it, you can also turn it off manually before the timer runs out by tapping on it yourself. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.